Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you. And please like and subscribe for more Bath & Body Works content. In this video, I would like to share a Bath & Body Works holiday haul with you. I picked up a few more things, some things that I really love. So let's start with non-body care first. I picked up two Japanese cherry blossom hand sanitizers. These retail for $1.95, and I was actually using a coupon where you spend $10 and then you get a free item, a free body care item up to $13.50. I think maybe it's more than $13.50 now because the prices have been increasing. But I love Japanese cherry blossom. It's it's like a very pretty, sophisticated floral. It's really pretty. It's classic. It's timeless. And I love it. So I got two hand sanitizers for that to help me get to my $10. And then I picked up a winter candy apple hand soap. The scent notes for this, let's see if they're on here. Yes, red apple, winter rose petals, and candied orange. So this one is just, it's so beautiful. It's like a candied apple, very sweet and tart and sugary. Oh, it's just so pretty. It's so pretty, and I love this. And the packaging is really pretty for the hand soap too. And then I picked up Black Cherry Merlot foaming hand soap, and I'm really loving the packaging on this one too. And Black Cherry Merlot is dark cherry, black raspberry, and Merlot. And I used to be more partial to the gel hand soap, but now I really prefer the foaming because not only do you get 0.75 fluid ounces more, I feel like with the foaming hand soap, I can definitely get more out of the bottom. Because you know how when you're at the bottom of your hand soap and the gel just kind of sits there and you either have to just turn it upside down and wait for it to settle so that you can get it out that way. But I found with the foaming hand soap that it really does a great job of, this straw does a great job of getting all of it out of there. Like even when there appears to be like nothing left, you still have a couple of pumps in there. So I think I'm partial to the foaming hand soap now. So yeah, but I love Black Cherry Merlot so much. It's and you guys have heard me talk about this if you follow me. You know what? I'm not going to open this, but it's just like a beautiful Merlot with cherry juice. It's so sweet and delicious, and I just love that one. And then for my free item, I actually picked up from the Aromatherapy line, Lavender and Vanilla Sleep. And this one is lavender and vanilla. Calms the mind to encourage relaxation. And this is my favorite one. I like lavender, but the vanilla and the lavender together, the vanilla just sweetens it and makes it just lovely. And you know, I actually went in the store. They have a new aromatherapy called Rose Lavender, and I actually got a sample of that. I didn't like it. It was very heavy on the rose, and usually I like rose scents. I don't know, but I just got like this overpowering floral, and then I could barely smell the lavender. But you know, as it sat for like overnight, more of the lavender has come out. But initially they sprayed the pillow mist on this for me, and it was very strong floral for the pillow mist. So I chose not to get that, and I chose to go with one of my classic favorites, lavender and vanilla. And then I picked up more Black Cherry Merlot in the new packaging because I love it. And the new packaging is so cute. I love the fuchsia and the purple together. It's so like glittery and sparkly. And this one it's just wonderful. I love this so much. It's, oh, I mean, I have been wearing this like almost nonstop. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I got the body cream and the fragrance mist for that. And then before I run out of time, I went ahead and picked up Winter Candy Apple. I got a another full size fragrance mist, because I love this one too. Yeah, I love this one too. It reminds me of the Winter Candy Apple is perfect name for this. I love it. I don't like the packaging too much though. I'm not really feeling that. You guys let me know how you feel about the packaging. I feel it's been prettier um, in years past. Like, what I noticed about the creamy body wash, like last year it had multicolored confetti in it. Like it had green, pink, red, like little sparkles in it, and I just thought that was so captivating. And this year I almost picked that up, but it was just red crystals, like, and not even red, it was like a deep like maroon colored. So you got your creamy body wash scrub stuff, whatever it's called, and then the flecks in there, instead of it looking like true confetti, like festive confetti, it was just like dark brick red flecks in there. I just don't think it's as lovely as it has been in the past. So yeah, but I picked that up because I like the way it smells. And then I got another Confetti Daydream body cream, and this is what the packaging looks like. I like the two-tone, the dark blue and then the light blue. It's very cute. So the scent notes for this are fresh raspberries, sparkling pear, and blue iris. This one, it's like a powdery floral, but sweet. I like this one. I like it. So yeah, I got another one though. So that's what I got. I basically just went and picked up some of my favorites because I am saving my love for the semi-annual sale, which starts December 26th, the day after Christmas, and I cannot wait because there were so many like ones that came out that I really love. Like, I'm hoping that they have blueberry, and I'm going to get more sweet whiskey and black cherry Merlot and that type of thing. So I'm really looking forward to that. Plus, there are some new collections that are supposed to be dropping during the semi-annual sale. So I'm just like, oh yes, I'm there. Like, I cannot wait. So I just basically picked up some necessities for me that I need. Like I don't have a closet full already, but yeah, I just went and picked up some favorites. So I can't wait until the semi-annual sale. You guys let me know what you're going to be picking up, what you're going to be stocking up on, because there are some that I'm going to be hoarding, I think. So thank you so much for spending the last few minutes with me. I really appreciate it. And if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.